Hi friends, you are watching Down Performance Engineering YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about how to install custom made lowering kit on Yamaha R15 version 3 BS6 model. Okay, actually this is not good for short person for handling in traffic and in off-roading. Okay, that's why we made a custom made lowering kit to install and reduce the seat height for driver seat and pillion seat also. Actually, the rider seat height was 815 mm from ground to seat height. Okay. Actually, Yamaha has a sports model bike. That's only it is used for sports for highway riding. That's only the riding poster will be as in same size like an MotoGP bike. But in street bike, it is not possible to maintain the same height and riding poster because in MotoGP track they're always in a straight up line and cornering position. They don't need to put their leg down. But in traffic, in street, it is not possible to without you put your leg down and balance it. That's only we made a custom made lowering kit. Okay. There is an two bolt on the bottom of the chassis. One end is connected with swing arm and another end will be connected with suspension connector. Actually, this two bolt is removed. There is one bolt on it. That bolt will be removed. This is the stock product, and I am going to install custom made product. That is 40 custom made product for better handling in traffic for too much of short peoples. You see that one swing arm end and another one is suspension end. One stock product is removed, that 40 custom made material was installed. The riding posture will be improved when comparing to stock. Okay, you just check it out. One swing arm end will be connected and you need to careful to connect the links. You see this stainless steel material same as 6 thickness as in stock material, but stock comes with GI, but custom made is stainless steel material. Once the kit will installed, the riding posture will be improved because height will be reduced. In stock product, that kit will be increased as an 815 height, but custom made is 40 This is 40 kit. That means 40 height will be reduced. That's mean 815 minus 40 that much of height will be reduced. Means what happen, you just feel like an ordinary bike like TVS Apache RTR like riding poster and this Hero Honda Splendor bike poster, not like an R15 bike riding poster. That is an aggressive driving mode portion, but after the kit installed, the seat height will be reduced to 40 when pillion seat also and rider seat also. When after the kit installed, the customer, that means users feeling how they tell means actually I feel like Hero Honda Splendor bike feel. Now I can able to comfortable driving in highway traffic. In some kind of street there is an wide of the street will be smaller, so that time when they take a U-turn in that kind of small street, some of the person will get down from the bike and turn it the bike around it. But after the kit installing, they told I can sit on a bike and take a U-turn on the small street. Now I can comfortable take the reverse position in traffic in some kind of position I can possible. And then Major advantages that wrist pain and back pain. That much of pain will be reduced because in aggressive mode driving, the rider will be in racing posture. That means shoulder will be in down position and back side of the backbone will be in straight up in 45-degree. They driving like in sleeping posture, like, and they put that stomach on petrol tank and then kneel down and then knees. So when after the kit installing, the riding posture also increased. The hand will be in straight up position, so there is no wrist pain and back pain. Now it is able to control bike in traffic, low streets, in every posture it's possible. Good. If you need these custom made parts, you just text on it on Facebook page or YouTube. Thank you friends for watching.